Slimfit by Woo is a slimming center with over 20 years of experience, offering the greatest technology, encouragement, and accountability to help customers' strategies and maintain a healthy body weight. Upon stepping into the establishment, you'll instantly be greeted with a chic and cozy interior that instantly gives you a comfy feeling. Consult with ease as the friendly and professional staffs are always ready to accommodate you according to your needs. Slimfit offers a variety of treatments and services. Rest assured, they will only provide you with what's best for your body. The INDIBA device is a well-known Spain's radio frequency device and is the market leader in the industry, with 40 years of history. It has been a gold standard for non-invasive treatment and remains to be one of the most popular treatments worldwide, from the monarchy to celebrities. This is a non-invasive technology treatment to reduce visceral fats, and it is used in hospitals because it's a medical-grade machine. INDIBA patented Proionic system stimulates healthy cell function and revitalization through a specific radio frequency which creates thermal and subthermal effects to help in tissue firming, reduce visceral fats, lighten stretch marks, and more. There are various health benefits to getting INDIBA treatments. The most important factors of INDIBA would be the fact that it is effective, 100% safe, pain-free, and requires no downtime or recovery time. For today's treatment, I had the INDIBA Proionic treatment. I felt so relaxed and at ease throughout the treatment. It was painless and it felt like I was getting a massage the whole way. At one point, it was relaxing that I unconsciously fell asleep. I like how gentle the staffs are in ensuring that I am as comfortable as possible through the treatment. The treatment's after results was equally remarkable as well. I'm giving the INDIBA Proionic treatment the tried, tested, and loved stamp of approval. I'm definitely coming back for another round of treatment because there's so many services to be discovered. You know, for the first-time customers who will be coming here, you will be receiving special vouchers. So what are you waiting for? Come to Slimfit today, and I highly recommend it. Hi, my name is Rika. I'm from the Beauty Insider Trial team, and I'll see you soon. Bye!